My name is Nicholas Geller, Dr. Nicholas Geller, owner of Now Care Dental, group practice in Eagan, Minnesota. It's myself and two other associates. We've been open 8 years, had 8 successful years, looking to continue to take care of our existing patients, grow our practice, and the office itself, we've grown from a scratch start practice to now we're currently at 7 operatories. For us, one of the great benefits, I think, with changing to CareStack or moving to CareStack, much of which we probably didn't even know, or I didn't even know at the time, had been some of the unique features. Whether it be kiosks for patients, whether it be revenue cycle management or switching over our insurance to them. Being cloud-based, we've also had the opportunity just within our own clinic to have multiple staff members work on things at the same time and being live and updated. Having problems in the past with the server and the server difficulties, upgrading servers, the expense of servers, I think it's just great to really just clear all that out. No longer am I having to worry about that stuff. If we do go to a different location in the future, we're going to be able to just open up a clinic and log in, so to speak. Up till now, we haven't had the ability to view any images or look at patients' charts. Say if I'm out of the office or one of my associates are out of the office, we haven't had that opportunity. Now I can log in, I can be on a beach in Tahiti looking at a patient's chart if a patient has a question or we need something figured out for a patient bill, whatnot, or an insurance company. So those things have actually wrapped up to be kind of a better system for us. I think years ago what was kind of the standard was just really having software that could schedule a patient or bill insurance. Now we have much more than that. I think CareStack offers that. There's all the things you don't necessarily know, and you start seeing some of the benefits and some of the ways to automate your own practice is probably what we've found the best to be. I foresee CareStack in the future as basically an excellent company, an excellent asset to your practice, where your practice would want to go, where my practice wants to go is continuing to grow. CareStack's going to be a part of that. I look forward to working with CareStack and really just helping them grow my practice, grow our practice.